Today we're going to do a quick demo of Pinevision's website management tool. It's an easy to use tool that allows our clients to be able to quickly make changes to their website and keep it up to date. One of the really nice things about the tool is that the editor looks the same as the live site. Currently we're sitting on a live website that we use for demos, but when I come over and switch tabs to the editor, you'll notice it looks exactly the same as the live website with some toolbars and guidelines once you start to move the mouse around. What you see is what you get with the tool. So as you're making changes, you can see exactly how it's going to look on the live website, saving you the time and hassle of having to preview changes, make adjustments, preview again, and so on. But now that we're in the editor, let's change some text real quickly. And text editing is simple as clicking in the text box, writing what you want, coming over to the publish button, and after a few seconds, we can go back to that live website, refresh it, and you'll see that that change has been made. That fast, that simple, you're able to go in, add, edit, change text. Obviously, you can do more than just changing text. We have an employee page set up here, so let's use an example of some turnover at the finance manager position. We want to start out by changing the image here. So we simply click on the image, click change image, and then you can either upload a new image from your computer or you have a library of previously uploaded images. Let's choose one. We click select and you'll see that it's going to fit in nicely. There's no hassle on making the image round or having to add the border back in. The tool is very intuitive on what you're looking to do. This is a drag and drop system. So if you're wanting to move content, you can easily grab an object and move it where you want it. If you're wanting to switch Helena and Peter, you can simply click and drag Helena's image over to Peter's column and vice versa, as well as doing the same with the text boxes. Or just a quick tip, if you're trying to move entire columns like that, you can easily do this with the little gray divider in between and clicking on the arrow. Then you'll see the entire column will move together, just to save you some extra time. These were some basic things, changing text, images, moving content around. You can also make more complex changes very easily in the tool. For example, you can change the menu structure with just a drag and a drop. So let's say that you wanted to move About Pinevision to before employees in the menu. You would just come over to the page manager, you grab About Pinevision, drag it above employees, and once we back out, you can see that they've now changed orders. You can also do things like drop-down menus. So if we decided we wanted employees to be a drop-down of About Pinevision, we simply go back to the page manager, select employees, drag it to the right, and you'll see a little connector showing up indicating that the drop-down has been established. Once we back out, we can hover over About Pinevision and see that indeed employees is now the drop-down menu. Now, let's look at what I think is the nicest feature of having your website on Pinevision's platform. Let's go to the site styles, click on mobile, and here we have the layout tab. This tab allows clients to be able to choose how their website will look and function on mobile devices. While clients rarely make changes on this tab, it represents a big benefit of our system. Years ago, there were no real guidelines on how a website should look and function on mobile. That was until Google came out and laid down some rules for mobile websites. With this, they said that if you don't meet their rules, your website would drop in Google search rankings. Obviously, this is an important thing for many businesses. So those businesses went to their web designer, asked for their website to meet the new rules, but were told that in order to do so, they would need to have a new website built from scratch because it required a completely different framework. For our clients, because this is our own system and we're always improving it, we were able to go in, make changes on our end, update the tool, and push this tab live to everyone on the platform. That meant in a matter of seconds, our clients were able to come in, select a Google compliant option, click save, and now their website met Google's rules and would continue to perform well on Google searches. So as new rules, regulations, industry standards come into play, we're continually updating this tool so that our clients' websites can stay up to date. This was just a quick overview of how easy Pinevision's website management tool is to use. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please reach out to your account manager or sales rep, or you can always find us on the web at www.pinevision.com.